is the growth story of the world? In the next 10 years, India will grow at 7.5%. Build a building, build commercial, build residential and all that, no difficulty whatsoever. Story is, today is a good time to invest, great time to invest.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, hello, adab, Dubai, Jutt right now from Governor House, Dubai. It's a great honor for me. I'm right now with a gentleman. He's called Mr. Hiranandani, the Managing Director of Hiranandani Group of Companies in India. First of all, I'm really thankful for your time.
Thank you.
It's a great honor to talk to with you and learn a lot of with your session. You invite to the NRI to invest in India for the better opportunity in investment. How you convince them to buy dollars prices day by day and Indian rupees? If we convert in the Indian rupees, what's the benefits for all of the NRI?
You have to understand very clearly, where is the growth story of the world? In the next 10 years, India will grow at 7.5% compounded per annum, and all infrastructure is going to become beautiful in the next couple of years. So the great opportunity which is there is going to be India. Number two, in the last 3 years, there was no correction of the currency, which was needed to take place of 2 or 3 or 4%, which normally takes place of 2 or 3% every year. This has happened in one shot today. So I don't think that's a real issue, except for the fact that when it happened, it's a big thing to happen. The clever people actually take advantage of the situation rather than cry about the situation. Day before yesterday, I met the biggest investors in the world. They were in Mumbai at a conference of Naredco. And they're all so excited because they found the Indian properties cheaper by 15% all of a sudden. And the growth story is wonderful. So this is actually the positive opportunity story for the purposes of investment for NRIs and all other people who are investing. Not only NRIs, people who want to put FDI money, people who want to come into infrastructure, people who want to invest into REITs. All these investment opportunities are opened in India in a very big measure. So my statement is very simple. In the next 5 years, the growth story of India is extremely strong and positive. The infrastructure is improving beyond imagination. Metros and cities are developing beyond imagination. We are in Mumbai alone, Mumbai region alone, we are investing $30 billion in infrastructure taking place in the next 4 to 5 years. Metro, Navi Mumbai Airport, coastal roads, connectivity, Ro-Ro connectivity. All these put together helps Indians and NRIs and other people to invest into India. So story is, today is a good time to invest, great time to invest.
You know, you have your own properties in Dubai also, and you encourage the people to come and invest in India. Someone who want to invest and he want to help and he want to get more awareness about that. Do you have any presence in Dubai? You have our own team?
We have an office over here, but not a full-fledged real estate office. We are planning to set up a full-fledged real estate office, but just now we are connected on the web and other things. But my son's office is here and they can be helpful for us to put up that office in 23 Marina, and we are doing that connectivity. But the websites are there and we will be able to connect with any and every person. Now digitally it's so easy to connect, and we will be able to give all the services. In fact, already about 10% of our total sales is to NRIs, and a large number of people are from Dubai and the Middle East region. So, and they get all the services that are needed for the purposes of investments into India. But we are expanding it.
So you're the big name in the Indian real estate and Indian developers from India. Must be part of the government listen to you all over the world. We talk about the Europe, we talk about the Australia, we talk about any other part of the world. When you go there for investments, so they offer you the citizenship. Have any opportunities for those people who want to invest in the properties in the real estate, but they are not a citizen of India? Have any chance for these people?
Yeah, I mean, you can convert your issue. The non-citizen is entitled to buy an apartment as far as that is concerned and be able to rent it out. But the trading in real estate is not yet permitted. But development of real estate can be invested by a foreigner. So if you want to buy a plot, develop it, build a building, build commercial, build residential and all that, no difficulty whatsoever. So that investment in fact is encouraged by the government of India. But only trading in the real estate business is not permitted for foreigners, but NRIs of course can do it completely.
Thank you so so much for your time. Thank you so much. You're watching World Point TV with cameraman Bilal Tokit.